What is up, guys, and welcome back to another Hummer video. Today is just me and the shop until Nazar comes. So what I'm doing right now is I'm starting to do the passenger side to soundproof and carpet it. But before we do that, we do need to get rid of the two batteries that are right here. Our plan is to put them in the back. We got the new wiring harness for that right now, right here. And what I'm starting with is pretty much we have to redo the whole wiring. So I already kind of started off camera just to see exactly if it's even possible or what I'm doing. But pretty much this was right here. It's for the ground. Then the plus side was right here. What we want to do is move it to the bottom, kind of so it wouldn't be in the way of the seat. So without wasting any time, let's get straight to work.
I've been holding on for so long, I can't remember why. The fire's gone, I'm all burnt out, the embers have gone dry. I don't need your love to carry on. I don't need your love to make me strong. No, I've got courage to guide me through the dark. I've got courage to follow my own heart. Not everyone you lose is lost. At what cost? At what cost? I don't need your love to carry on. I don't need your love to make
Alright, we got power. We got lights.
Let's go turn off. I started that thing.
to guide me through the dark. I've got courage to follow my own heart. I've got
Alright guys, so like I mentioned, we're moving the batteries to the back. So we actually got everything done, set up as it's supposed to be. We ran the ground wire, we actually ran it through the, let's just say, aluminum frame. There's still a metal frame in here that's covering everything, but we still ended up waterproofing all this with a special aluminum tape. It's called like Sasm or something.
Yeah, that's technically just the body. That's not the frame itself.
Yeah,
That's pretty
the
much the body.
frame is right here.
Yeah, the frame is underneath.
And then, so we ran it to the back. That way the batteries are going to be in the back. Now that we got all this done, we're going to put this tub on rivets. We're going to re-rivet everything. And then with the Sasm, we're going to patch up all the holes. We're leaving this one and this one because they're actually there in case the carpet does get wet inside. It has somewhere to soak out and
A
it
little
doesn't just sit in
drainage
there
or
and-
something. So we're just gonna pretty much waterproof it, heatproof it, soundproof it, get this all over it, and pretty much just start working the carpet on this side, and then pretty much do this panel right here at the end, and do the carpet on the panel, and pretty much the whole carpet is gonna be done. So
Yeah, so
excited for
just
that.
this little part
Yeah.
left.
Still got to build the sort of like a armor box in the back where it's
Yeah.
going to hold the batteries. Maybe on the other side
so
we might just throw a toolbox in there, you know.
yeah,
Why not?
I'm thinking actually to get like a ammunition box, you know, but actually like have it open, the batteries are installed in there, so
be
it's gonna look
sick.
really cool with this car. And also, guys, we did order the doors and the seats. So the doors, I'm not sure when they're gonna come. Right, it doesn't show.
I
the
checked
delivery
today,
date.
still nothing. I mean, we
Yeah.
ordered only a couple days ago, so we'll
Yeah,
give
but
it a
the
couple more
seats,
days.
it shows actually within like 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks, you know, but we never know with the whole COVID going on. We've been like getting, you know, screwed over on shipments and
A
all this
lot
stuff.
of shipments.
But
too.
I really hope that's not going to be the case and we get the seats in, because
Yeah.
I'm actually really excited for the seats. And pretty much our next step after this is going to be building the center console, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna be, so we did find like a AC system, like a universal. It was like $700 because I know they sell the
Which
whole.
is very cheap, actually.
Yeah, very cheap because they sell like a AC system for this already, but they want like $7,000 for it, and you still pretty much have to set it up the same way as the
Same
center
exact
console.
way, yeah.
You still gotta set up the compressor. You still gotta set up
Everything, yeah.
all this good stuff. So we're gonna run our own AC system. We're gonna remove pretty much the whole unit. We're gonna throw the AC system in there and run our own tubes wherever we need it.
Vents
so
and everything,
vents.
yeah.
Once we start working on center console, we're gonna start measuring and where we're gonna have the screen, where we're gonna have the AC holes and speakers, all this good stuff. So, but let's just in the meanwhile kill the carpet real quick and get this over with so we can focus on the center console and go from there pretty much, right?
Yep, let's do it.
Yeah, let's do it. Guys, our battery did end up dying on us. So while we were actually charging that, we ended up doing the heat proof, the soundproof, all this good stuff. And we actually ended up building this little section right here from plywood. And we're gonna pretty much just wrap it up in carpet real quick and start wrapping up carpet, everything. So our focus is pretty much to kill this side right now and do the whole panel, carpet panel right here probably, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna put some L angles and rivets or something. We're gonna get creative with there a little bit. So let's just kill this first and then probably get to the back part and kill it. Let's go.
We're gonna do stuff, and then we're gonna do more stuff after that stuff.
Basically a lot of stuff.
So much stuff going on.
Heck yeah.
Can't even.
Let's do some stuff.
Oh, by the way, check this out.
down.
Check this out. So wait, Roman actually made this little cover right here for this section right here. So once we actually put the carpet and everything, we're gonna pretty much drop this cover. It's still gonna be under the seat, you won't be able to see it. And then once you put the screws in, those little finished caps right here, which is gonna look perfect, just like you saw on the other side. So everything's going really good so far, right? Really good. Mint.
Can't complain. Living another life in the shop life.
Hashtag shop life.
Hashtag shop life.
guys, so we actually threw in the back panel. It looks really good. I like it. So the reason why we made it slant back was actually 2 reasons. So we made it slant back, first of all, to match this up. Second of all, there's 3 reasons now. Second of all, for the seats, to kind of recline more back, which is gonna look really cool. Third of all, since it's slanted right here, and then right here we're gonna make it flat, we actually are able to put speakers in here. So that's 3 really good reasons why, and it looks cool. So yeah, there you go, 4. I could probably think of more reasons, but it looks good. So let's wrap that up in carpet real quick and see how it looks. And due to this right here, we ran out of clips, right?
Yep.
Yeah, so we'll figure it out later. Let's just wrap that up in carpet and we'll decide what we're gonna do here. That thing is so stuck in there, you don't have to pull on screws. But the reason why we riveted those L angles on that side, we're actually going to put nice 3 finished screws right here. Well, just screws with the finished caps actually, but we might change the caps because these caps are a little bit too small, and once we tighten the screw a little bit, the screw kind of shoots through the cap and
breaks it.
Skinny and too small. So we're actually going to try to find some bigger ones somewhere, maybe on the internet, because Home Depot doesn't sell it. Auto stores don't sell it, right? So
Home Depot for your for your auto needs.
Yeah, those caps, look at that. That looks good though. So we're actually gonna just finish this piece right here, and pretty much our whole interior is going to be complete besides the whole front section, but we're gonna get to that section once we start doing the center console. But yeah, everything's looking good. I love this backboard, how it's looking good. We're still gotta figure out what we're gonna do for the back, because we gotta fit some speakers in there. Then we gotta figure out the ammo box for our batteries, all this good stuff. But let's just get straight into the carpet and just install this real quick, so we can pretty much just complete the whole interior carpet wise. So let's get to it. Alright guys, we are finally complete with the carpet, so let's just have a little walk around, just check out how it looks. So these, we're actually missing a few clips that we still need to buy, those little finished clips for the screws. That's where you can kind of see the open screws. And this little section here looks a little bit awkward, but we don't know how far we're going to go with it yet, so we kind of left it a smaller. But later on, we're actually going to flush it straight with this, and it's going to go up here. It's going to go all the way down. It's going to cover that whole board later on, and pretty much clips on the screw, so it's gonna look really nice. But this is pretty much how it turned out. It turned out really good.
It actually
took us.
It turned out way better than we expected. I was not expecting this.
I was having doubts a little bit.
A lot of people weren't even expecting this either. We were talking to a bunch of people. Roman was saying earlier.
Well, the thing is, we never done this before. This kind of like custom carpet
Head of operation.
Yeah.
Assistant to the head of operations.
So let's just have a walk around a little bit and just check out this interior. Let's get it. So a little update on the Hummer, what we got coming next is we already ordered the doors. I'm not sure what day they're supposed to be here. We also ordered the custom seats. They're supposed to be here within the end of this month or somewhere in the beginning of next month. And not this Monday, but next Monday, we're actually gonna start working on our slant back. We have a friend that's gonna be helping us out with it. He's pretty good at welding, all this good stuff.
Fabrication, all that stuff.
Yeah, so he does fabrication. So we're gonna kind of need everything to be like perfect, because once we get our door, we're gonna actually have to align it with slant back and all this good stuff. But in the next video, we are either gonna start working on the center console and the dashboard, or probably start doing the whole sandblasting and bedlining, the back portion of the Humvee, all this good stuff. But that is going to be a wrap for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to smash the subscribe button. Hit us up on Instagram, give us some ideas at Foreign Builds, and we will catch you in the next video. Peace.